Hello everybody. Here's an example of how great AI is at generating code for you. This is a little application I knocked up for my eBay adverts. I've sort of loaded up a bit of HTML here, which I created. It's probably easier if I show you what it does. If I fire this up by running this program here, Python app Py, it's fired up. It's running it on my local machine here on this box. I didn't click. There we are. And there it is. There's me. There it is, eBay advert generator, I've called it. So we can put into here, we can put in the title of my advert. Oops. Let's put in blah, 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 blah. Copy that, paste a bit of that in, put a description in. It's little models I'm selling, but obviously you can put whatever you want in here. There we are. So if I put a lot of gumph in here, this is the model description. And the item description, put some stuff in here. I can copy and paste. Sometimes I send this off to ChatGPT and get it to rewrite it and copy and paste it back in. So anyway, this is the main part it does. Gallery HTML. So I've got myself a template here, a bit of template I wrote up. If I open my gallery now, I've joined the eBay developer program. I've got my API key. This will look at all my listings, load them in, and there they are. So I've got a load of listings here of toys and cars I've made. I can select just 10 of them or select 10 at random. There, I'll select 10 at random. And let's see what this is. This will now use my API, my eBay API, to pull up this, which is a scrolling gallery of all my other adverts. So on my one advert, you can see all the other things I'm selling. We'll close it down. It's copied it to the buffer. It says there. I can now go to here and paste it straight in. And there's all the HTML. So now I can generate my eBay advert HTML. And there it is. That's my advert. There's my scrolling gallery. See all my items. Clicking there, take me to my eBay. And there you have it. A great way to advertise more than one item on your items. As you can see, that works. I don't want to show you my eBay ID, but there you go. Great little advert. Paste that into my eBay, and I'm advertising 10 cars when I'm only selling one.